Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you basic Nokia configuration for beginner. We'll learn how to configure the IOM and MDA card, how to configure IP address, and how to ping and verify between interfaces. So this video is for people who are new to Nokia and they want to learn. Okay, let's start. So we have our topology as you can see, Nokia 1 connected to Nokia 2, and then I will access the first box. Okay, the first thing is to verify, as you can see, that we don't have any host name. So I will configure the host name and also verify the line card module and then do the IP configuration. So let's do the host name first. Configure. And then let's verify the IOM or line card. Show card. This is the command to verify. So we see that IOM or line card is not activate, so it's showing here like operational state on provision. So we need to make sure that is up on the operation state side. So the configuration is going to be configure card one because it's on slot one, card one, and then card type. So this is the type or the model, and enter. So if we do verify again, we'll see the difference. So we have up here, which wasn't before. So that means like our card is now operational. So, but we won't have any port because this is considered to be like a line card without any MDA or any module. So we need to make sure that our module also is active. So let's verify the module, show MDA. So it's not active, so we need to configure that. So configure card one MDA, MDA1, and the MDA type. So this is the type. So and then let's do the verification, show MDA. So we see that our MDA now is active. So from here, we can be sure that we'll be able to see our port. So we do show port. So this is our port. It's down for now. And at the end of that, we need to save our configuration. So admin save. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing that the same procedure for Nokia too. So first of all, accessing my box and then do the host name. Okay, verifying the card, show card. We don't have it, so we need to activate that. Configure card one, card type. So it's this one. The same way that we did for Nokia one. So and then once we do the verification, show card. So we have it. It active or up, and then we do verified our MDA. So our MDA is not active yet, so we need to configure that. But before configure that, let's do show port and then see. So from here, we can see that we don't have any port. We don't have any port available or showing down or any port state status. So let me configure my MDA. Configure MDA card 1, MD1, and the MDA type is going to be this one. Okay, so show MDA. So our MDA it's up, and then let's do a show port again just to verify. And then we see now we have interfaces showing. So we're done with, and we need to save our configuration, admin save. So once this is completed, so we need to configure or assign IP address to our interface and bring those interface up and do the ping test. So we go on here. It's going to be configure router interface because I'm doing a interface. Just give it a name to Nokia 2. This is just a name, and the assigning IP address. Address is going to be address 10.10.10.1/30. Description, link to Nokia 2. Okay. Oh, my bad. Let me remove that description. Nokia 2. Oh, yes, sorry. Description, Nokia. Description, link to Nokia 2. Okay, yeah. So I have my description. So exit, and then bring the port up, configure port 111, and then, oh, so I shouldn't, sorry. So I should make sure that I have my interface name linked to or associate with port 111 first before bringing the interface up, or I can do both. But let me go back on here, configure router interface. Yes. Okay. So from here, I should have 41111. So that means like this port is associated to this name. And then exit. From here, go back, configure port 1, and then do a no shot. And then admin save. So because I'm under the interface, I need to do my backslash. So admin save. So we have this port configure. So let's do the for Nokia 2, and then we'll do the verification. So same procedure, configure router interface, give a name to Nokia 1, for example, and then description, link to Nokia 1, and then this is my port 111. Okay, exit, configure port 1111, do a no shot, exit, admin save. So I have both sides configured. So let's verify if the port is up. Show port 1. So we see that our port now is up, and then we do the same here. Show port. Okay, so we have our port up. So one thing I didn't do on Nokia 2 was to assign IP address. That was the purpose of what we're doing. So let me go back on here and then do assign IP address. Configure router. Okay, and then address. Address is going to be 10.10.10.2/30. 10.10.10.2/30 and enter. So we have already associated the name with the port, so no need to. So we just exit and then save my config, admin save. Okay, so we need to verify if the configuration are in place like we do with Cisco, like show run or show run interface. So with Nokia is going to be admin display config, matching the interface, match 1111 context all. So having this interface, press enter. So we see that I have my interface in internet mode, exit, no shut. And then because of router, we have like router and then we have it here. Okay, let's do the verification for the other one. Admin display match 1111 context all. Okay, we can see that we have our interface, and then let me do show router interface. The interface name was this one, so that way we can see the address. Okay, so we have the address to Nokia 2. This is the address for Nokia 1, because I'm on Nokia 1, and I'll be doing the same for the other device. So going here, just changing this number. Oh, I don't have my interface showing. Did I save the config? Yes, I did. Okay. I believe I should have start over. Oh, yeah. So the naming is different. So this is a different interface because of the naming. So let me make sure that I copy the right one. So we just have to be careful on our naming. So, okay. So you can see that there is no underscore there is underscore on the first device, but on the second one, there is no underscore. So we have the address. So this is the address for this Nokia 2. So let's do our ping test. So from this device, I will ping the first one. So from here, I'm pinging this one. ping 10.10.10.1, and we can see that ping is successful. So this is how we can configure Nokia basic configuration to have first setup. So you can say that I did everything with you clearly with all those typo everything. If you appreciate and like the video, please subscribe for the next one. Thank you.